Today is our second day. We started from the city all the way to the southeast area. We reach out to the landing point. This is the damage assessment. All the time we have to make sure safety and road condition. After 4 months, it's still the same situation. Yeah. We see the whole community, around 200 families, but only 4 families still there.
Vecino más cercano tengo solamente uno en estos momentos. Los demás abandonaron a Puerto Rico por miren las condiciones que está esa casa. Aparte de energía eléctrica, que llevamos ya para 4 meses sin nada.
We also identify a police officer who is also living there for 15 years, and his home is totally impacted by the hurricane.
Jamás imaginé la destrucción masiva que tuvimos. Aparentaba que habían tirado una bomba o un tsunami pasó por encima de nosotros, destruyó todo.
How many families are still living here?
Hay una familia, 2, 4. La gran mayoría se partieron para los Estados Unidos, para la Florida, para Orlando, Nueva York.
This is a beautiful community. Oh yeah. So I imagine all the people want to come back here.
Muchos me llaman que están desesperados por volver. Yo sé que van a regresar.
Tell us the power generator now. Most of the people need it. What will be the best for the community in the future?
Y todos estamos de acuerdo con la energía solar.
We are very grateful that police officers can take care of his own personal loss at the same time continue carry on the mission.
And Tzu Foundation, we like to provide a little bit of financial support. This is Master's letter to you.
Desde el momento que aprendimos de su información, nuestro corazón han estado con usted. Queremos que sepa que usted no está solo. Todos somos hermanos y hermanas viviendo. No puedo seguir. Thank you.
We also identify a household, a father and son who living in a very challenging environment. Immediately, we provide the emergency financial assistance.
Whenever there is a disaster in a certain place, all over the world, all the people coming and help the place they need help.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We also visit another family whose parents are really vulnerable.
Mi papá es ciego y mi mamá es asmática y ellas están mayores. Yo soy pescadora, mi papá es pescador y mi nene está ahora mismo en el mar y es pescador también.
Generation by generation rely on the fishing, but because of the Hurricane Maria really impact their current situation.
Here is a $600 debit card.
Okay, gracias.
Hope your family can get back to the feet as soon as possible. And in the future, we will have some plan. Maybe we will come back and maybe we will need you to be the volunteer to help the other people.
Seguro que sí.
Gracias. Okay.
We will see is there a possibility we can provide the rooftops. So we will come back to help them. From Southeast, we all the way came back to meet with our partners, FEMA.
Tzu Chi Buddhist Foundation has come to Puerto Rico and have an opportunity to sit down and speak about some of the priorities and the resources that the Tzu Chi Foundation provides to individuals to help with those immediate response and recovery activities.
For long-term recovery project, we have been able to identify how to help the island to be more resilient, such as plastic bottle project.
The landfill capacity of Puerto Rico, though, is very limited. You would almost imagine the risk of developing a disaster within a disaster as people utilize those bottles of water, emptied them out, but didn't necessarily have a place to put them.
So FEMA is interesting to see, is there any way Tzu Chi can set up a PSA announcement or set up a display center to introduce that Tzu Chi recycling blanket concept and the process.
They can take those types of items that most people would consider trash and turn them into very valuable products that actually help with the recovery efforts.
Being able to work with agencies like Tzu Chi helps us open up the options for the different types of programming that might be available to people after the immediate response is done.
For the Red Cross, we are very impressed because in their facility you can see there is recycling plastic bottles. Some of the community already do it, but how can we expand it to the school, to the senior citizen, or even to the village? That will be a major task, and that's a mission we should be able to start it, to plan, to train, and to grow. The plastic bottle can turn out to something good and useful to pay back to the community.